going to make a quick dish. It's just a vegetable, and we have only 4 ingredients. We have vegetable. In my country, Tanzania, we call it Chinese vegetable. And we will also use 1 big tomato, 1 big red onion, and cooking oil. I always prefer sunflower oil, as well as salt. So welcome, let's start cook. Now I'm going to select my I'll put my cooking oil, then I'll add onion. For sure, I like onions, and this vegetable is going to have one big onion, as I said, and the 1 big tomato plus our vegetable. We're just going to cook it for like 10 minutes, then our dish will be done. Now I'm going to add my tomato, and I'll let it cook in a medium heat. Of course, I'll cover it for a while, but before that I want to add a little bit of salt. Now, as you can see, our tomatoes are well cooked, and I'm just going to add the vegetable. And I will also let it to cook for 5 minutes in a medium heat. After 5 minutes, you can see vegetable is almost ready. We don't need it to overcook. Remember, it is rich of onion and tomato, which makes it have a nice taste. This vegetable is nice. You can have it with ugali. We call it ugali in Tanzania, but you can have it with rice or any other cup of your choice. And this is ready. Let's go and serve it. Thank you for watching. We are done with making this delicious Chinese vegetable. I hope you have learned something new. Share with me your ideas about this dish in the comments below. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel